Good morning. Our next problem is in exercise 3. In exercise 3, fourth question. Rehna works 1/2 hours each day on her embroidery. In one day she is working on embroidery for how many hours? That is 1/2 hours. Okay, she completes the works in 7 days. In how many days she is completing the work? She is completing the work in 7 days. So how many hours did she take to complete her work? So we have to find in these 7 days how many hours she has worked. We have to find. So what we will write here first? Number of hours. Number of hours worked in one day. In one day, how many hours she has worked? She has worked 1/2 hours. So this 1/2 is in the form of mixed fraction. So convert it into improper fraction. So what is improper fraction? How we will solve this into improper fraction? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So that is 5/2 hours. So in one day she has taken 5/2 hours. So we have to find for 7 days now. So number of hours worked in 7 days. So how many days she has taken to complete the work? She has taken 7 days to complete the work. So for the 7 days, how many hours she has taken? We have to find. So they have given only one day. We have to find 7 days. So they have given 1 unit value. We are finding 7 units value. So what you will do here? Just multiply this 5/2 and 7. So 5/2 into 7. So 5 sevens are 35/2. So how many hours she has taken? She has taken 35/2 hours. Now this is the answer, but our question is in the form of mixed fraction. We will convert this also in the form of mixed fraction. So how to convert? Just divide this 35 with 2. So 35 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. Subtract here. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring this 5 down. So 2 sevens are 14. So 15 minus 14 will be 1. So how you will write the mixed fraction? In reverse reorder, that is 17 1/2 hours. So she has taken 17 1/2 hours to complete the work. So she has completed in 7 days. In 7 days she has worked for how many hours? That is 17 1/2. So therefore number of hours worked in 7 days is how many hours she has taken? 17 1/2 hours she has taken. So next is fifth solution. So what is the fifth question here? Fifth question is a truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. By using 1 liter of petrol, how many kilometers, how much distance it has traveled? It has traveled 8 kilometers. So how much distance it will cover in 10 2/3 liters of petrol? So how much petrol is there now? 10 2/3 liters of petrol is there. So in that liters of petrol, how much distance it will travel? We have to find. So what you will write here? Distance traveled in 1 liter of petrol. So how much distance it has traveled? That is 8 kilometers. Now what we have to find? We have to find distance traveled in 10 2/3 liters of petrol. In this liters of petrol, how much distance it will travel? We have to find. So they have given only 1 unit. We have to find 10 2/3 units. So it is less and it is more. So what we will do? We will do multiplication here. So first convert this 10 2/3 into improper improper fraction. So how we will convert this? 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. So what you will write here? 32. Or first you write the mixed fraction only, that is 10. 2 by 3 into 8, that is 32 by 3. 3 tens are 30. 32s are 30 plus 2 is 32. 32 by 3 into 8. Now you multiply 32 and 8 here. So 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 will be 25. So what you got here? 256 by 3. So what you got here? 256 by 3. So this is in the form of, now we have to convert this in mixed fraction. Because they have given the question in the form of mixed fraction. So this answer also we have to convert into mixed fraction. So how we will convert? Divide this 256 with 3. So 3 8s are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. Bring this 6 down. 3 5s are 15. So 16 minus 15 is 1. So how you write in mixed fraction now? That is 85 1 by 3 kilometers. So in 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol, how much distance it has travelled? That is 85 1 by 3 kilometers. So once again you see here, distance it travelled in 1 liter of petrol is 8 kilometers. By using 1 liter of petrol, how much distance it has travelled? That is 80 kilometers. Now distance it travelled in 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol. So for this liters of petrol, how much distance it has travelled we have to find. So 10 2 by 3, they have given only 1 unit value. We have to find more number of unit values. So what we will do? We will do multiplication here. That is 10 2 by 3 into 8. Now you convert this into improper fraction. 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32 by 3 into 8. Now in denominator of 8 I am not having any number, that means it is equals to 1. So 32 8s are 256. 3 1s are 3. Now this value you convert into mixed fraction. Because the question is in the form of mixed fraction, so the result will be also in the form of mixed fraction. So convert this 256 by 3 in the form of mixed fraction. So divide this 256 divided by 3. Now 3 8s are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. Bring this 6 down. 3 5s are 15. You got the remainder as 1. So what is the mixed fraction here? We have to write in reverse B. That is 85 1 by 3 kilometers. So how much distance it has travelled? That is 85 1 by 3 kilometers. So therefore distance travelled in 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol is how much? 85 1 by 3 kilometers. Now next question. So next one, sixth solution. So Raju walks 1 by 2 meters in 1 second. In 1 second, how much distance he has walked here? That is 1 by 2 meters. So how much distance he will walk in 15 minutes? So in 15 minutes, how much distance he will walk? We have to find. So distance travelled in 1 second is how much? That is 1 by 2 meters. So this is in the form of mixed fraction. Convert this into improper fraction. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 3 by 2 meters. So in 1 second he has travelled 3 by 2 meters. Now we have to find for 15 minutes. So distance travelled in 15 minutes. So here both the units are different. So first 900 seconds. So 15 minutes is nothing but 900 seconds. So I am writing in brackets here, it is 900 seconds. For this 900 seconds, how much distance he has travelled, we have to find. So this is 1 unit. We are finding more number of units, so we have to multiply here. That is 3 by 2 into 900. That is 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. 1 will be remaining. 2 fives are 10. 2 zeros are 0. So how much you got here? 3 into 450. Multiply this numerator value with numerator value. That is 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 fives are 15. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So how many meters he has travelled? That is 13,350 meters he has travelled. So once again you see distance travelled in 1 second is how much? 1 by 2 meters. This is in the form of mixed fraction. We are converting into improper fraction. That is 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 3 by 2 meters. Now what we have to find? We have to find for 15 minutes. So first one they have given in the form of seconds. Other one they have given in the form of minutes. So this minutes we have to convert into seconds. So already we know 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 15 minutes is equals to how many seconds? Just multiply this. 15 into 60 will be equals to 900 seconds. So that 900 seconds I wrote in brackets here. So they have given only 1 unit. We are finding 900 units. So what we will do? We will do multiplication. That is 3 by 2 into 900. 2 ones are 2 450s are 900. Just multiply these two values. 3 numerator with numerator. 3 zeros are 0. 3 fives are 15. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1 will be equals to 13. That is 1,350 meters. So therefore he has travelled distance travelled in 15 minutes. 15 minutes is nothing but 900 seconds. In 900 seconds is how much? 1,350 meters. So next is so seventh one we have to fill the box. First one I will do, second will write as homework. So first one is what here? 2 by 3 into box is equals to 20 by 21. So 2 how many times will be equals to 20 here? 2 how many times will be equals to 20? That is 2 tens are 20. The same way 3 how many times will be equals to 21? 3 how many times will be equals to 21? 3 sevens are 21. So what is the box value? You got it as 10 by 7. So next one you try it as homework. 5 by 7 into is equals to 3 by box. So this one you try it as homework. Next is, already I told you about division. So how we will do division of two fractions? Two fractions division, how we will do reciprocal and division will be converted into multiplication. Suppose I am taking here 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. So how you will divide this 2? Just you have to reciprocal this 4 by 5 and this division value, this division symbol will be converted into multiplication. That is 2 by 3 into this division has converted into multiplication. The second fraction will be reciprocal, that is 5 by 4. Now already we know how to multiply two fractions, that is numerator to numerator and denominator with denominator. 2 5s are 10 by 3 4s are 12. So this one you can convert into simplest form, that is by using two tables. 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10. So what is the result here? 5 by 6. So this is the way how we will divide two fractions. Now depend on this, we will start the problems now. have to write only reciprocal terms. So find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. So they have given some fractions. We have to write the reciprocal fraction here. So first one is what? Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. So what is the first one? Reciprocal is nothing but numerator will be numerator we will write in the form of denominator, denominator we will write in the form of numerator. So what is the first one here? 5 by 8. So what is the reciprocal of 5 by 8? Reciprocal is nothing but inverse. So we have to write numerator in denominator, denominator we will write in the form of numerator. So reciprocal of 5 by 8 is, what is that? That is 8 by 5. Next, second one, 8 by 7. So for this also you have to find the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 8 by 7 is 7 by 8. Third one, 13 by 7. Reciprocal of 13 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 13 by 7? It is 7 by 13. Next, last one, 3 by 4. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is how much? 4 by 3. So this is the reciprocal terms. Reciprocal is nothing but numerator will be written in the form of denominator. Denominator will write in the form of numerator. So just flipping the terms. Next is find first one is 18 divided by 3 by 4. So already I told you how to divide the terms. So how you will divide here? Just reciprocal in the second term. So what they have given? Given 18 divided by 3 by 4. So always the first fraction we have to write as this. That is 18. Division will be converted into multiplication. Reciprocal of second term will be 4 by 3. So we can cancel here. 3 ones are 3 6 are. So 6 4s are is 24. So what is our answer? 24. They have given 18 divided by 3 by 4. So 18 we have to write as this. First fraction we have to write as this. Division will be converted into multiplication. Second fraction will be reciprocal, that will be 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3 6s are 18. So 6 4s are is 24. Second one, 8 divided by 7 by 3. So given 8 divided by 7 by 3. Now 8 we will write as this. This division will be converted into multiplication. So this will be reciprocal. 7 by 3 will be flipped, that is 3 by 7. So just multiply. 8 3s are 24 by 7. Divided by 2, 1 by 3. So they have given in the form of mixed fraction. First convert that into improper fraction. So given 3 divided by 2, 1 by 3. So first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 divided will be 7 by 3. Now 3 division will be converted into multiplication. Second fraction will be reciprocal, that is 3 by 7. 3 3s are 9 by 7 is our answer. So last one, try it as homework. That is 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. So this one is same as third one. Try this as homework. We will continue the class tomorrow. Thank you.
21 minutes.
21